Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my earring collection, and it's going to be really fun and exciting. So please remember to subscribe and let's get started. My goodness. I just got my ears pierced a handful of weeks ago, and I just started buying earrings, and it's almost time that I can change them. I've also been cleaning them too. So yeah, let's get started. So I have my earrings in this vintage little twin stars box, and I'm gonna show them to you guys. So yeah, they're super cute. So starting off, the first earrings is the one I'm wearing that I got pierced, and they're little pink cubic zirconia little stud earrings, and they're really cute. And then on the same day, I got these little silver foxes from Claire's when I got my ears pierced. Not sponsored, by the way. But see? They're little foxes! They're so cute! They're little purple foxes. So those are really cute. I can't wait to wear them. Some other ones I got were these little cubic zirconia hearts. Wow! They're so cute. It's probably not going to focus, huh? Nope. But they're little hearts, and it says they're 925, which means silver. So it might be a silver base, but I got them at an antique shop. These are so cute. And then I had ordered in the mail these seahorse earrings. Look how kawaii! They're so cute. Some handmade seahorse earrings. This is better resin than I could do. I need to practice my resin skills so I can get as good as this person made them. But yeah. And then I got some more silver ones. I found these little heart-shaped ones. I haven't worn either at a local shop, and they look like Elsa and Opal and hearts again. I love anything with hearts. It's super duper cute. You can see the opal in there. Ooh. And then I got these little antique 80s looking ones at the thrift store and cleaned them up a bit. So yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay safe. And I will see you all later. Hopefully I'll post an Instagram picture of me wearing some of these earrings because they're so cute. I just love these foxes so much. Ah, foxes. Yeah, there we go. And yeah, I love you guys. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. My Instagram and Twitter are down below. And if you'd like to see more jewelry videos, please let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you all later.